Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Bhagishitek. And hope you all are doing great and good in your position, learning, and all the situation what you have. And today I'm going to start for a very beautiful and very wonderful topic for the technical interview what we had recently. So let's start with that. And before that, we are moving to directly into the point. We can say that right now you heard about in various like everybody is talking about like AI, big ML, big data, ML, and all the data related information, and they are going to be eat up your job. So that is not actually happening. See what happened right now. They are just getting like we have to utilize our AI services when we are doing the coding. Like in our home, we have a small kid and we are pampering them, we are giving them how to act, how to learn, how to speak. Similarly, AI also like a child from the developer point of view. Like I'm experienced developer, so I'm looking as a like child. What the information I'm giving, he can act like that, or he get the information according that he will respond because he is not perfect. He is still learning, and they are taking our data, and basis on that they are giving the response. You can see, you can try also. Sometimes you are not getting the correct data, like in our home when we are doing anything from the small kid, they are not every time correct. Sometime they come, sometime they accepting our information, sometime not. So similar like AI also we have a in our environment right now in the market. So don't lose hope like they are getting our they are eating our job like that, because still data we have to be model them, we have to be train them, and as per our requirement we get the information, we get the response, and have to be utilized in our project, in your product. Okay, so after that, what I'm trying to be say like recently we had interviews for the Bank of America. So just I'm going to be sharing the some technical interviews point and what the question they asked, what the JD was there. Okay, so this is for the senior role, and they ask first like connected like HR technical screening round purpose. They are connected first, taking the all phone calls, basic introduction, information, your project, your domain, your team leader activities. After that, if you are shortlisted, you get called for the online assessment in the which programming language you are comfortable you can give. So there is a three question. After that, again, if you are qualified that, then you have to become to this technical round. And the test online assessment, I will say, that is on the hacker rank. So from that, you have to just if you are already used to about it, that is a good. If you're not, so have to be used to about that platform. Do some practice. If not every day possible, do the alternate, do on the weekends for preparation purpose. Then yeah, so in the technical round, we have like technical core concept there. So they are asked from the basic one, startingly like what is the ops concept, uh, what is your main strong area. Like if you are mentioning like multiple skill set, and in there were like around 4 to 5 panel, and they are asked about like I think they are expertise on one of the like front end, one of the like SQL side, one of the like Azure side. So four member was there, and they are expertise on that. So they are asking like which topic we will want to start from the first. What is your strongest domain, and what is your strongest skill set? Like you are more comfortable into the front end or back end or SQL side like that. This type of the question they are asking for the warm up purpose. And again, after discussion, everyone getting chance to get interact with you around 50 or 10 minutes, and they are asking question on that. So first part, in the .NET side, they ask like dependency injection, and about that, if you're giving a proper answer, then they are giving the like scenario create on that, and also giving us some sort of the code and ask like what is the use of this code, and they're also doing the mistake and telling we have to be recognize what is the mistake they are doing, we have to be apply the right code over there. Then they ask like async await versus task dot run. Then they ask for ef core query optimization, and on that we have to write some sort of the code also. Next, yeah, this is the very common, and every company they are asking this solid and oops concept. So be prepared for this topic. In the solid, they're asking like what is the mean of solid, why we are applying, and give every definition. And after that, in out of this, they are asking 2 or 3 cases and what is the using in your current project or current scenario, and in that they are giving me like write the code for the discuss substitution. Next we have a signal API. On that also they are asked 2 3 question. Optimal API, signal API, what is the use, are you applied in your current project, what is the advantage from using this API, like that. So I am a full stack, so they are asking in FL like Angular side also. I have experience on the Angular and React both. So they are asking from there also. See, this is the sample program they have provided and told like what is the output, what is the use of this. Then next they ask error handling. Then they ask chain detection optimization. Okay, and also like multiple question as a theoretically ask the like hooks optimization when we are calling from one to multiple page to one page. Some of the same data we want to be transfer consistently. Like 2 3 question very technically depth they ask over there from the front end side. Then next they ask in the SQL Server side like second highest salary, pagination, find the duplicate, and also they already have some 5 tables, and they written some query over there, and they told like we have to be get those data, and after that we have to be optimize those query, and what is the approach you are taking. So for me, I already work on the SQL side, so I applied the query optimization technique over there. I also run the query in the SQL Server side, so query scan, sig point, count point, how much percentage they are taking. Uh, so all the graph I was running, and they are seeing like what I'm doing in my screen. Actually, they have provided a link. So from that link, I was giving this solution over there, and they already have some sort of the question already there. So from that, they are asking do this, do that, like that. Next, we had Azure. So in that, what that services you are using over there, you have to be mentioned that and how you contributed, how you effectively manage it in your project. So for that they are asked like manage identity DB connection, service bus, we have a topic and queue, point to point and publish subscribe in this model where we are calling in our API side. Yeah, and also